Cables carry your system's energy, but it's the conduit beneath your feet that determines how safe, efficient, and reliable that system really is. If your underground runs aren't properly designed, your system could overheat, underperform, or fail inspection before it even gets turned on. That's where a duct bank study comes in, and why it matters more than most project teams realize. At Pure Power Engineering, we don't just draw lines on a trench detail. We run detailed duct bank studies that ensure your underground cable systems are engineered for real-world thermal loads, code compliance, and construction success. So what is a duct bank? It's a system of conduits, buried or concrete encased, that routes power cables between equipment, usually at medium voltage, over long distances, and across complex solar and storage sites. You'll see them connecting inverters to transformers, batteries to switchgears, or solar arrays to the point of interconnection. Here's the challenge. When you bundle multiple conductors together and bury them under soil or concrete, heat builds up. Without proper spacing and modeling, cables can overheat, derate, or trigger faults that shut down your system. That's why a duct bank study is more than just a good design. It's risk management. Our studies start with ampacity calculations, determining how much current your cables can safely carry. This is based on conductor size, burial depth, soil conditions, and ambient temperature. Then we run derating analysis to account for conduit fill, bundling, and NEC requirements. In high-load scenarios, we use thermal modeling software to simulate heat buildup inside the duct bank. This way, your system doesn't fail during peak production. We also deliver construction-ready trench details showing contractors exactly how conduits should be spaced, whether concrete encasement is needed, and how to place warning tape, ground wire, and drain lines. Some of the things we also factor in are manholes and pull boxes, expansion loops, voltage drop, NEC 310 compliance, everything your team needs to install it right the first time. So let's be honest, bad duct bank design shows up late in the project, when cables are overheating or trenches need to be ripped open to fix spacing issues. We've seen it happen, and we've fixed it for clients who didn't realize a shortcut underground can cost you time and money above. At Pure Power Engineering, we integrate duct bank studies directly into our electrical design package, so your system is safe, efficient, and built to code. We coordinate with civil companies, align with utility trenching requirements, and help developers avoid oversizing cables just to compensate for bad conduit design. So if your project includes long cable runs, medium voltage infrastructure, or underground feeders, don't bury the risk. Engineer it out before construction begins. Need duct bank design for your next project? Let's talk about how Pure Power can deliver a smarter, safer, and more reliable underground solution.